If you think sourcing from China is just about finding the cheapest supplier, you're already at risk. The biggest losses in sourcing don't come from high prices. A sourcing agent protects your money, your timeline, and your brand. If you're serious about sourcing, not gambling, you need someone on the ground who knows what to question and when to say no. Today, I'm going to explain why you actually need a sourcing agent. I'll walk you through 5 real reasons most buyers learn the hard way. Suppliers are not on your side. This is the uncomfortable truth. Suppliers work for their factory, not for you. Their goal is to close the deal, not to protect your interests. They will not tell you when quality is rushed, when materials are substituted, or when timelines are unrealistic. A sourcing agent works for the buyer, not the factory. That difference alone prevents expensive mistakes. You can't verify what you can't see. Photos lie. Videos are curated. Samples are cherry-picked. Without a sourcing agent, you are trusting claims. And trust is not verification. A sourcing agent checks actual production runs, real packaging, correct labeling, and export readiness. This is the difference between something that looks good and something that is actually sellable. Compliance mistakes are expensive. Wrong or missing certifications can block your shipment, suspend your listings, or destroy your goods. Suppliers often say this certificate is fine, but fine does not mean valid for your market. A sourcing agent knows what is required, what is fake, and what platforms will reject. One compliance mistake can erase your entire profit. Logistics is where costs quietly explode. Most buyers focus on unit price. Smart buyers focus on landed cost. Without an agent, you might ship from the wrong port, choose the wrong Incoterm, overpay on volume calculations, or get hit with surprise fees. A sourcing agent optimizes carton size, CBM planning, shipping method, and customs readiness. That is where real savings happen. When things go wrong, you need leverage. Delays happen, defects happen, miscommunication happens. Without a sourcing agent, you are overseas, time zoned, and easy to ignore. With a sourcing agent, factories respond faster, problems get escalated, and solutions get negotiated. Local presence equals leverage. No leverage means no control. You don't hire a sourcing agent because sourcing is hard. You hire one because mistakes are expensive. A sourcing agent protects your money, your timeline, and your brand. If you're serious about sourcing, not gambling, you need someone on the ground who knows what to question and when to say no. Just like SourcingXpro, who have been in the sourcing industry for over 10 years, follow SourcingXpro for more real sourcing insights.